Look what I found in the showroom of the local Ford dealership. Yep, a 2022 Ford GT LM. This is a special edition model. There's only 20 of them made 2022 this year. This car is a rarity. It's around $500,000. You own this car, you buy it from Ford, you cannot sell it for 2 years. The owner of the dealership, this is his personal car. He has 2 other cars in the showroom, which are his personal vehicles too. He collects cars. He's a fantastic car guy. He's been in the business all his life. His family's been in the business for years. Look at this beauty. Carbon fiber body, 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, 660 horsepower, 380 pounds of torque. Look at the exhaust pipes in the center. Platinum. And this car, it's, what's the color? It's the silver. It is, tip of my tongue, I can't think of it. It is called liquid silver. Beautiful color. Comes in this color, has either blue or red accent trim. This car, there's also a video on YouTube the owner put out. It's only about a minute long. I have a link in the throughout the video here on it. You can go and have a look at it. It's him bringing the car out of the trailer when it was delivered to the showroom. It went from the trailer up the ramp into the showroom, and there it sits. And here we go. This is a 66 Cobra kit car, a replica. This is another beauty. This car is another one you would just love to have if you're into any of these types of cars, these rare cars. Apparently these things are around $50,000 to buy a kit car like this. And have a look at it, enjoy it. Got a few shots of it here. The interior, the body. It's pretty neat. Now, I've seen kit cars before, but boy, they haven't looked this good. And right next to this on the opposite side of the showroom is that 2012 Mustang BOSS302 Laguna. It's another beaut. And here we go. Here's that Laguna. This car it's mint. It's probably better than the day it came off the truck at the dealership when it was bought new. They came in silver or black. 2012. It's the only year they were sold in Canada. And then there were something like 35 of them that came across the border. That was it. There's your build sheet on it. I don't think any of these cars are for sale. Maybe, but I think he probably, Mr. Richter probably went out of his way to find this car too. Again, that is a 5-liter 302, and I'm forgetting what the ratings are on that car, the horsepower ratings. But yeah, there's only 700. Yeah, they only made 750 of this version of Mustang. 444 horsepower, thereabout. 380 pounds of torque. And going back to that GT LM, there's only 20 of those models made. Don't know how many of them are owned by Canadians, how many are in the States. I don't know that number. This car here, again, 750 of them were built, and 35 of them are in this country. Thank you again for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.